to my channel. Let's continue to explore Dubai with us. So the first stop of the day is Medina Jumeirah.
So Medina is an upscale souk. It's going to be different compared to the ones that we have gone to before, like the gold souk and the spice souk.
Yeah.
Yeah, so and there's like a bunch of restaurants and bars over here. You can just dine in and enjoy the great view of Medina. So we just stopped by and got some camel milk ice cream here. It does taste a little bit different. I guess it's more smooth compared to the regular ice cream. And they have some local flavors like cardamom and pistachio. 有什么不一样？
It's pretty good. We are having breakfast and just chill here. What's your breakfast today?
Starbucks. What's it? I think it's like a spinach and feta cheese pretzel. It's pretty good actually.
I got my first festival drink of the year. It's toffee latte. Have you tried pumpkin latte? It's pretty good, but I prefer pumpkin cold brew.
I mean the pumpkin one was too sweet. It was really sweet.
Yeah, cold brew is not bad. I mean latte is kind of too sweet, just like this one.
Yeah.
But they don't have toffee cold brew. Maybe I should ask.
I like this one the most though.
Because latte has more milk.
I mean I order this one like every single year when Christmas comes. They have gotten some amazing views here. It's very relaxing.
Compared to the old souks we have been to, this one's like a modern Arabian souk. So we just found a perfect photo spot for Burj Arab.
As we are taking pictures, more and more people start to recognize the spot, and they start lining up for that spot to take photos as well. The spot's right here by the waterside.
It's near the restaurant called The Meat.
Yeah.
Do you prefer outdoor or indoor?
The view is much better outdoors, but it's getting really hot. You know, of course, there's AC indoor. It's more comfortable.
Yeah, I think if you come like during sunset time, it would be perfect.
Yeah. Right now it's too hot.
Yeah. Hey guys, the second stop of the day, we are visiting Ain Dubai.
You're so lucky. Ain Dubai just opened up a couple of weeks ago, and it's the largest Ferris wheel in the world. I'm sure you're gonna get some amazing views.
So we are waiting in the line. You can either buy tickets online or just buy them here.
So yeah, we got here and just purchased the tickets at the gate. It costed about 130 dirhams per person. Or you can just book it online to the same price.
Yeah, the price actually varies because
for different lounges, for different packages. Some of them come with beverages and some of them don't.
alcohol.
All doors will open one by one, please. Don't rush. First group, come on, let's go. Watch your step here, please. Second group, wait for the gate. You are left. This gate. Come on. Let's go. Watch your step. Okay, this gate for you. We'll open now.
Doors closing.
Got more shoes than anyone I've ever met, but she can't decide which pair she thinks is best. And she hates being late, but I swear she's never on time. Something about this girl, no, she can't make up her mind. She's a perfect mess, I must confess, but I wouldn't trade her if I could. She's perfect for me, yeah, she's what I need. She's a perfect mess. There's nothing she hates more than being by herself. But crowded rooms won't do, you know she'd rather be somewhere else. She can't stand to lose and gets mad when I let her win. So I make her smile, then we fall in love again.
Please be careful when exiting the cabin. Watch your step.
Stand by.
Let's go. Which step to your right?
Right hand side. Let's go.
To your right?
Right hand side.
So we just finished the ride. What do you think?
I feel accomplished, you know, like I just finished the world's largest and tallest Ferris wheel. You know, I feel like I've done something, you know?
I feel like this one is just like the one in Las Vegas. It's pretty similar though.
Well, you know what they say, that Dubai is the new Vegas.
Yeah.
Your love, it illuminates in the stillness now. Look at what we found. You are home to me.
It's 5:44 right now. We're here because we're craving for some Chinese hot pot. We're here at the Nice Square Hot Pot restaurant. We're sitting at the rooftop where you can enjoy the view of Burj Arab as well as Burj Khalifa. You can hear the adhan right now, which is the prayer sound. There's a mosque right next to us. So the Muslims, they have to pray about 5 times a day. And right now is the prayer time after the sunset. 这是什么？
牛油9宫格。可以。
可以。太阳在哪里？在那边已经下去了。哦，已经下去了，5点半。
下去了。
5点半已经下去了。
Getting our own secret recipe sauce.
If you got everything you wanted, will you finally be happy?
Baby, what's the price? Are you willing to die on this hill, to fight in this field right now? Future looks bright, I can see it in your eyes. Are you happy now? Can you feel it? You got everything that you wanted. What's left to complain about? No time for regret or a grain of doubt. Moving so fast, it's hard to slow down. Skin in the game, I came back out. They never know, no, no. They never know, no, no. They must love me cause I got a packed house. Giving my all down to the last ounce. Ooh, we the creme de la creme. Us against them. Money on my mind like my only best friend.
I know you want it, but do you need it anymore? Why did it matter? Why did it matter? I know you want it, but do you need it anymore? Why did it matter? Why did it matter? Was it worth the trouble? Yeah. Was it worth the trouble?
Wow, it's spicy.
Is it better than your dad's hot pot?
Yeah, of course. Well, because my dad's hot pot is not spicy at all. It's like a clear broth. How spicy is it? Rate from 0 to 10?
6.
Oh, really?
Not too bad.
What do you think about the flavor though?
Perfect.
It's not just the spiciness, it's also the numbness from the peppercorn, not the chilies.
Hot pot is something to die for.
Are you ready to die?
Not really.
All of the mosques have a speaker. So once the prayer time comes, they will play the prayer when the time comes. So here it comes again, and like I said before, there's 5 times a day. And even sometimes they even play it earlier, just so that people can get ready. And if people want to, you know, stay ahead of time.
It's pretty interesting, like you are having hot pot with player sound. So the restaurant was playing Jay Chou's music before. When the player starts,
Yeah.
they have to stop it.
I mean, all forms of music have to be stopped during the prayer.
This is what you must have after the hot pot. It's
Yeah.
ice crystal. That's what they call it, but in Chinese it's called bingfeng.
Yeah. It's to clean up all your all the flavors in your mouth. The peppercorn, the chilies, everything.
Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video.
If you guys want to know about more spots in Dubai, as far as restaurant or place to hang out at, keep watching our other videos about Dubai.
Yes, and subscribe to the channel. Bye guys.
Bye guys.